Today's dot on the map is the Round Tower in Copenhagen, Denmark. Not a castle keep, not a modern skyscraper, just a 17th century cylinder with a secret inside. You climb it without stairs. We are here to walk a spiral, chase history in loops, and look over a city that prefers understatement to spectacle. The view from the top, honestly not heroic. The journey up, one of a kind. The door yawns open, no staircase. It feels like stepping into a seashell. The air cools, sound bends. Footsteps echo in rounded syllables. The tower's genius is this helical ramp, once built so horses could haul heavy instruments and books to the top. Legend rides with us here. In 1716, Russian Tsar Peter the Great spurred his horse up the ramp, and, as the story goes, his wife followed in a carriage. Later, in the early days of engines and bravado, a car made the climb. The tilt is gentle but insistent, the sort that coaxes conversation out of you and then subtracts a few words per minute as the legs warm up. The ramp coils about 7.5 times around the hollow core, giving us a slow, cinematic reveal of arches, niches, and brickwork that glows like baked cinnamon when the sun sneaks in. Near the top, the city begins to leak into view. Rooftops like a tidy mosaic, the sober geometry of Copenhagen lifting its hat to the sky. We step out onto the platform, about 35 meters above the streets. There it is, a panorama that's more whisper than shout. No jagged mountains, no opera house sails, just a calm grid of streets, church spires, and the old and new knitting together. There's Christiansborg's tower and the cathedral's clean lines. Is the view cinematic? Maybe not, but it's truthful. The round tower was never built to conquer the skyline. It was built to measure the sky. Up here, the observatory still welcomes stargazers. It's among Europe's oldest functioning public observatories. This building is an idea made walkable, learning as a gradual ascent, a curve you follow until you understand what you're looking at. It's a rare thing to feel a concept underfoot, and then it's time to head down. Going back is a gentle swoop, but the journey isn't over. The round tower is 1/3 of a whole, the Trinitatis complex, a 17th century fusion of faith, knowledge, and science. So as I went out, I go into the church. This is Trinitatis Church, the structure for which the tower was originally just the belfry. Consecrated in 1656, it was built for the university students and professors. Round world, round trips, round-the-clock wander, stories that come full circle, told in 360 degrees, from the spiral of the round tower